What if I told you that just 1 spoon of a natural booster could help your plants grow stronger, greener, and healthier over time? When plants look weak, develop black spots, or start suffering from root fungus, the problem usually begins quietly, in damp soil and still air. Slowly, these hidden issues drain the life from your beautiful plants. Today, let's restore balance naturally. First, for strong roots and healthy growth, take 1 liter of clean water and mix in 1 spoon of yeast. Stir it well. Yeast releases natural enzymes and B vitamins that feed beneficial soil microbes. These good microbes help break down nutrients in the soil, making them easier for roots to absorb. Pour this solution directly into the soil around your plant. It boosts root activity, improves soil life, and supports steady, vibrant growth. Use this every 2 weeks. Now for leaf protection. Mix 1 liter of water with 1 spoon of vinegar. This creates a mildly acidic solution that helps slow fungal growth and reduce black spots on leaves. Pour it into a spray bottle and lightly mist both sides of the leaves. Use as needed for prevention, don't overdo it. With these 2 simple natural remedies, your plants can stay strong, fresh, and beautifully protected. Thanks for watching, and keep growing with nature.